I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have current backups and enough disk space. Check the database engine and version because repair commands vary by vendor. Once confirmed, stop writes, set the instance to read-only or pause the application to prevent further corruption. Now run a quick integrity check or DBCC equivalent to identify corrupt objects. This gives you a target list. You do this first because repairing without freezing activity risks data loss and makes diagnostics unreliable. You now interpret integrity results and prioritize fixes. Examine errors for allocation, page, or index issues. Start with non-destructive operations, index rebuilds, consistency commands, or restore verifiantly to avoid data loss. If corruption targets specific pages or tables, isolate them and export critical rows to flat files or a secondary instance so you preserve data. Once exported, you can drop and recreate damaged indexes or tables and then re-import. Make sure to document each. You finish by validating repairs thoroughly. Run a full integrity check, replay transaction logs, or apply differential backups to catch recent changes, and compare row counts and checksums to your exported snapshots. If logical repair fails or data is irrecoverable, restore the safest backup and replay logs up to the failure point. Once satisfied, return the database to read-write and closely monitor performance and error logs for at least one maintenance window. Troubleshooting tip: if corruption recurs, suspect hardware or storage stack issues and run diagnostics immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.